Hello, I'm Eleni Jokas, and this is Connecting Africa. This month, we're looking at the pharmaceutical sector. It is at its best, cutting edge and dynamic. But as you'll see, there is still room for some old-fashioned delivery methods. Coming up, we'll be heading to Morocco, where we'll hear the fascinating story behind Pharma 5. We'll also head to Lesotho to see how medicines are delivered to some very remote mountainous locations. A woman who certainly knows her stuff, as is our next guest. Pharma 5 sells more than 50 million boxes of medicines every year. In 2022, its labs produced more than 1 billion units of medicine. It was almost inevitable that Miriam Lachloufilali would end up working in Big Pharma.
So I grew up near a father who was one of the founders of access to care in my country. He's one of the founders of the Moroccan pharmaceutical industry. So I grew up with this mission inside of me, this mission to pursue the action of my father in the ecosystem of healthcare in Morocco, but also on our continent.
She says at the heart of the mission is a commitment to quality and a determination to match standards that had already been set.
When my father created Pharma 5, there were already huge players, which were the big pharmas here already in Morocco. We had to be at least as good as they were in terms of quality standards, so in terms also of expertise. And this is the most challenging issue we still have to face every day. It's about, of course, investing in the cutting-edge technology, respecting the highest quality standards, but also having the right human people at the right place and constantly improving their capabilities and their expertise.
The business, which started with just 5 people, now employs 1,800. Additionally, it has just opened a smart facility that she believes could increase production 5-fold.
Pharma 5 has become a regional player, a regional leader, recognized not only, of course, in our country for our high level of quality certifications. We are certified in more than 45 countries today, exporting to Africa, to Middle East, to Europe. Today, Pharma 5 is becoming a multinational, an African multinational. For the last 10 years, we are very present on the continent through exports from Morocco. And the Pharma 5 today is the leader of generics in Morocco, with 35% of market share, but also leader of the exports with almost 40% of the exports from Morocco on medicines that are Pharma 5 products. So today we feel that we have this mission, this duty also to contribute to the development of Africa, to a sustainable, inclusive, autonomous development of Africa, especially in the field of health.
Championing the African continent is at the heart of the business.
We are anchored in our continent. Our mission has become to ensure sovereignty for our continent.